Just off the bat, how serious is this? Is this something that we need to be terrified of, or is this overblown, or how do you stand on this?
Well, first of all, you have to understand the timing of it in the sense that it's just beginning. It's just beginning. It's just beginning. And so in terms of what hurt, pain, suffering, death has happened so far is really just beginning. Just beginning. Just beginning.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. I hope you are well and taking precautions. Today, in this video, we are not only going to give you the important updates on the coronavirus that you may already know, but also about which you are unknown. The coronavirus that originated in Wuhan, China, has killed more than 5,800 people and infected more than 156,000 people. It has spread to more than 142 countries as per March 15. The World Health Organization declared it a pandemic on Wednesday. Over 2,500 deaths have been reported outside mainland China, including 57 in the US. The global fatality rate for the virus is hovering around 3.4%, but that could change with time. A study from the Chinese CDC found that patients older than 80 had a 15% death rate. Italy has the highest number of coronavirus deaths outside Asia, and the entire nation is on lockdown. The virus has forced schools closing in China, Japan, India, the US, Iran, Italy, and the other parts of Europe. The UN said in early March that nearly 300 million kids have had their education disrupted. Major professional sports leagues including NBA and MLB have suspended play. There are no vaccines to prevent humans from contracting the virus, but multiple drug makers are racing to develop one. Let's now talk about the deadliness of this virus, which the world is not so serious of. Joe Rogan, host of the Joe Rogan Experience, in one of his recent shows, he spoke to Michael Osterholm, a public health scientist, biosecurity and infectious disease expert, and director of the Center for Infectious Disease Research and Policy at the University of Minnesota. This video has 18 million views on Rogan's YouTube channel alone. In terms of what hurt, pain, suffering, death has happened so far is really just a beginning. This is going to unfold for months to come, according to Osterholm. This is going to be at least 10 to 15 times worse than the worst seasonal flu a year we see.
Just off the bat, how serious is this? Is this something that we need to be terrified of, or is this overblown, or how do you stand on this?
Well, first of all, you have to understand the timing of it in the sense that it's just beginning. And so in terms of what hurt, pain, suffering, death has happened so far is really just beginning. This is going to unfold for months to come yet, and that's, I think, what people don't quite yet understand. What we saw in China, I'm convinced, as are many of my colleagues, as soon as they release all of these social distances, these mandated stay in homes, haven't left your home in weeks and weeks kind of thing, when they go back to work, they're on planes, trains, subways, buses, crowded spaces, manufacturing plants, even China is going to come back again.
Now I'm sure that this all of you weren't aware of. It is shocking to even think that the rate of this outbreak can be just a beginning. Details of his podcast are linked below the video description. In contrary to the seriousness of the virus, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, Elon Musk, who thinks the new coronavirus COVID-19 debate is just dumb, on Sunday said that the unnecessary fear over the pandemic is not good for the humanity. Fear is the mind killer, Musk tweeted. In a memo to SpaceX employees last week, Musk said that they were far less likely to die from COVID-19 than car crashes. Truly, when this virus began, people around the world did not take it as a serious threat. As the news is flowing in, numbers are increasing for the infected day by day all around the world. Brothers and sisters, it is a reason to be worried about, but it is much more necessary for us to maintain our calm and tackle this crisis with precautions rather than worrying a lot and overthinking and making yourself mentally ill. We truly do not know any solution to this virus yet, but truly, with Allah's mercy, there will come a cure, inshallah. What are your views about the new facts of the coronavirus being just a beginning? What will be the destruction of this virus in the coming weeks? What do you think? When will this virus end? What are your views about Elon Musk's tweets on coronavirus fear being useless? Let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, be safe but don't overthink it. Assalamu alaikum.